You can apply the condensed glue gels, but I don't want to get it any chance to get messed up with my pigment. So I'm gonna do top first, really thin coat. All right, here.
So 756 Beauty, we do not have a Patreon, unfortunately. So I guess if for batches, I guess you should check your IG account. Yeah, I don't think we can do much with that. Thank you, though.
And this time we're gonna do is a neon crystals, and then if you pay attention on neon crystal is Glitz to celebrate our 100,000 of followers. We have is really special for you. It's special only last on this event. It's buy one get one. A lot of neons, a lot of glow in the darks, and take advantage from that. You do not buy one once. You buy one, you don't need to add another ones because you add another one unless you want it. But if you want, like for instance, if you want one pack of your as a neon, you add one pack, then automatically you get another one for free. So there's a lot of them there. Check that out on the BOGO, buy one get one free.
Hey, Shelby.
So I am going to use some neon crystal. I'm going to use my twin tip brush.
But it's okay, 756. As long as you come in, you tune in, I appreciate the support.
All right. I really like this. You can do that one right here. Maybe I should do right there. I want to do on that side. You can do any other space, okay? It doesn't have to be just this. You can do on that. Any spot you want to add it on. Sorry, where I'm at, right there. Okay. Close this. Don't let it like open during the time you're doing your nails or the clients, because you don't want your LED lights or the sunlight will kill your gel, condensed glue gels. No wipe top coat on all the top. Hey Whitney. Where am I? Sorry, keep moving in my hand. All right, so now we can add some crystal on. The reason it is I did it on this side because I want to get some super cute. Yesterday I did a heart for you, and today I want this one to be in here. That's it. And then, what did I get? A pink. Can I get some pink? Can I ask to get some pink? Pink neon, like a lover. I want the pink one right there. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. Hi, Facebook. Hi, Instagram. And for all the YouTube viewers. So I hope each video will help you so much with your learning. Let me grab some. No, there's a pink one though. a smaller pink. When you see that beads that you don't want, just really simply remove it using your tweezer, so then that way you won't where I'm at. I'm keep constantly saying where I am. Don't want to get off the frame. Oh, you want to use it? It looks like what should I describe this one though? It's so colorful and it's so like what do we would call this one though? Oh yeah. Right there. I have to find one pink here. Sorry. Off the camera. Off the frame. Where am I?
No, there you go. Right there.
Sorry, everyone. You can alternate. So I'm using like yellows, orange, and a pink. So it doesn't matter what colors you pick, it will be so like matching with this design. So you pick however, or even you're doing all pink, you can do all pink if you wish. It doesn't matter. I think it looks stunning as well. This one's a little bit big. Let me get some yellow. It's orange. There you go. One more yellow. I see one cute pink in there. And then that's it. You can add so many more as you wish. You know, and then you can add like more on you can add more here. It's up to you. And I think I'm really happy with this. We're just going to gear for 60 seconds. But before that, I'm gonna flash gear this one really quick because I don't want this bead to run, because it's right in the edges right there. Right there. You can see that how it's like glow in the black lights. All right, here for 60 seconds.